Hi everyone, this is Niharika from Etnico, and this is our video number 3. It will be long gowns, traditional long gowns. These are pricing from 3,500 to 4,500 range. The code is from G1 to G7. Okay, and then if you like any of the outfits, just WhatsApp us, take a screenshot or mention the code, share with us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 8978359546, and also you can share the screenshot or code on our Insta or Facebook. So let's begin. The first will be Rajput silk ikat print gowns. These are traditional gowns. The pattern will be same like the one which I wore. So this is my mom's old Pochampalli silk saree which I have recycled it to this particular gown. So the pattern will be same like this. You can see this is a pattern. So I'll show you this pattern gowns right now. Let's start. This is the gown 1. This is G1, code is G1. Its fabric is Rajput silk, and it's a papaya orange color, or bellam color antar kada, the same color with a lilac touch. Okay, and it has got lining in this. The back has a keyhole, diamond shaped keyhole. The back is not that deep, because you might be feeling, because of the diamond shape, you might be feeling it's a bit deep, but no, it's a normal standard size. It's a princess cut with 3/4 sleeves. Okay, the price of this particular outfit is 3,500, and the print we are having is a diamond print. Diamond print, and if you can see the body. Okay. So the code is G1 3,500. We have one more color, the similar color, but the print is different. We have one more shade in this. This is another color. This is another print on the same color combo. Nari Kunj kind of pattern, I can say. Nari Kunj print with zari border. It's a keyhole. Even the code of this particular outfit is G2, and the price is 3,500. The next shade is lime green with olive green combination. Lime green and olive green combination. It has got temple border. Ikat print. The fabric is Rajkot silk. Okay. And back it has got a diamond shape. The price is 3,500 and the code is G3. Our next is the blue and violet combination. This has got Pochampalli kind of ikat prints only. This has got a bit of work on the body with sequins in zari. Back you're having the keyhole. The price of this outfit is, actual price is 4,500, and on sale it is 3,500. This only outfit is on sale in this model. So this is a last outfit, and this combination is blue and violet. It has got the zari border. The price of this outfit is 3,500. Actual cost is 4,500. Now I'll be showing you some tie and dye combinations. A beautiful tie and dye combination with maroon shade. You can see the flare like this. It has got nice olive, lime green, mehendi green, and lavender shade with maroon color border. The fabric is Uppada silk. And it has got nice pearl work on the body towards the sides and all the sleeves too. And it has got scallop touch sleeves, sequins and pearl work. So back we are having a tiny keyhole with back open. Uppada silk is the fabric. The price of this outfit is 4,500. The code is G6. 4,500. The code is G6. Can be altered from 32 to 42 size. Next outfit is this, again the another color in tie and dye model. This is having a bright combination with the red shade. The border is in red color, a purple, dark green, and lemon yellow combination of tie and dye. Back you're having a tiny keyhole. This is having a pearl work with scallop touch at the sleeves. The code is G5 and the price is 4,500. You can see the flare in here. Nice. Our last outfit for the day is the other tie and dye orange and mehendi green combination. This has got uneven hemlines and transparent net sleeves. The sleeves has got a complete hand embroidery with mirrors, sequins and nakshi work with thread work also, and we have got potlys in the center. Back is like this. The fabric is Upada silk again. The price of this outfit is 4,500. Actual cost is 6,400. So it has got complete hand embroidery. Good thing. It's on sale and the actual cost is 6,400. On sale it is 4,500 and the code is G7. So these are the 7 outfits for today, and if you like any outfit, just take a screenshot or share the code with us on WhatsApp. That's 8978359546, or you can drop us a message on Facebook and Insta. Ethnico.in is our handle for Facebook and Insta. If you have any customization queries, you can also WhatsApp me or message me on Facebook and Insta on the same number. Okay, and thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.